Right, just a quick video of the Hymac 580C. As you can see now, she's been sprayed up. She's come up okay. I actually used a rusty nail for the exhaust. I was looking for something like a rust colour, found it tack. So I snipped it off and shoved it in the hole. So there she is. It's a nice model, and I'm quite pleased with it really. And the paint match I got is good. So that's it for the Hymac model. I have to get back onto the larger stuff, the full scale 12 inches to the foot stuff soon. But you can see the cab. Painted the seat red in there. And Taylor Woodrow decals on her. Had some spare left over. They found some old ones. So there she is. So till next time.